Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, I know y'all have been waiting for this one, so I definitely came here today with this one to show you all how you guys will be able to cop the upcoming, this one's upcoming in September. Stay very tuned for it, man. It's very soon, but this is going to be a very hype release. The Oregon Duck 5s that are dropping, y'all have known about these. The Oregon Duck colorways with Jordan have been a very well-known kind of series, and we're having a Jordan 5 coming for them. I mean, this one's already been out, but now it's actually releasing. And I think it's really dope, so you guys are gonna kind of hear my info and how you guys will be able to cop this sneaker. I'll give a resale prediction and all that, because it's gonna be good money behind this shoe, almost guaranteed. Like, it's a resale, don't worry, like it's money. So even if it's a 5, I mean 5's a resale, so I mean, I'm not throwing shade. But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, you guys can go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. I'd really appreciate that. And if you also want to, let's try and hit like 200 likes. I think that's my goal. But what I was about to say, aside from, you know, if we could hit 200 likes, which I want to see everybody do that. Let's actually do that. This video, come on, everybody do it. Let's go. I'm gonna be waiting. You ain't done it yet? Or what? Because like, because I can wait. I mean, oh, you did it finally? No? All right, well, I'm gonna keep waiting. All right, yeah, all right, cool. What I was about to say is you guys can check my Instagrams down below if you guys want to go follow those. Hopefully you drop that like, because your boy doesn't want to have to wait any longer to get into it. So let's get started and really discuss how you guys can cop the Oregon Duck 5s. Alright, so as y'all can see, I'm here with the screen recording. Shout out Sneaker News, because, you know, this is kind of like I'm using them for like the pictures, so shout out them for the, you know, helping out with the background here. But basically, here's what the shoe looks like. It's a retro to the original pair of Oregon Duck 5s. As you know, this is actually a retro pair, so you can see this one looks a little bit different than the original. If I had a picture up of the original, but you can see it's a return. So basically, with this one, you can see when it's dropping, it's September 12th, and it's going to be retailing at $225. So it is a little bit of a more expensive retail price, but this is definitely going to be worth it to pay 100%, because this retro is, again, off a very popular model that is going for a ton of money, like thousands of dollars. So just knowing that the original version goes for thousands of dollars and seeing this retro version come out, of course this one's going to be some money, something you want to go for. I mean, I'm already putting my personal resale estimation, and my resale estimation, y'all, again, take another glimpse of these boys. These are fresh, but my resale estimation is not going to be based off StockX, really. I mean, it is based off this a little bit, because these are 2 sales. You can see this one's had like 2 sales so far. You can see this is the retro version, drop in, as you can see, September 12th here. My resale estimation is going to be between $500 and $800, and the reason I say that, and it could be more very easily, I just think that's probably a realistic range for the retro. But also you can see on GOAT, I mean, hey, that's no cap right there. Look at GOAT. I mean, you can see what the pairs are going for on GOAT right there. I mean, that's a lot over 1,000 right there. I mean, that's like 1,500 right there. So you see the pairs are going for a good amount on GOAT, and you can see on StockX there's already some kind of selling for like kind of like that 750, like 840 range. So I feel like that's probably going to be a realistic price range between 500 and 800 on resale on this one. But aside from discussing resale, when it's dropping all this, again, this shoe is super fresh. I'm not even like a huge Jordan 5 fan, but I mean, these are clean. So aside from that, when these are dropping, y'all see them again. But let's really discuss how you guys will actually be able to cop the sneaker. Aside from all the info, you guys can look up the info and all that. That's probably not what you want to know in this video. Y'all want to know how to get them, so I'm gonna show you all 2 ways you can secure the sneaker, manually and non-manually. So let's get into that. Alright, so how you could secure a sneaker release just like this one, and maybe this pair right here in particular. Let's get a little bit of a better picture. So right here, how you could secure this exact retro right here is basically the way that you could secure this release non-manually is through a cook group, and one in particular that I'm very fond of, and I've told you guys about this one. They're the gods, man. They know how to cook. It's the Secret Sauce Cook Group, man. They will really get you on and help you cop a release just like this one, because as you know, this sneaker release is dropping on Sneakers, as I forgot to say, 10 a.m. Eastern time. I completely forgot to even mention that, Sneakers at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so stay tuned. September 12th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. This is when these are dropping, and as you all know, sneaker releases pretty much are run by the system where you have to have, you know, there's no like autofill, really anything you can do for it. So basically, how Secret Sauce, their cook group, would allow you to cop a release just like this one is basically in their Discord. You could open up a ticket in their Discord, and basically what the ticket does in their Discord is when you open it up, you could ask for help or advice on any drop, how to get any drop, and basically they'll tell you and they'll like help you out with like one-on-one help, and I think that's super useful. But also what these guys do when you you open up a ticket in their Discord, it could also be for a certain release, and basically these tickets serve as slots also, free slots for their members. So basically, if there's like a shoe coming up, like this one for example, and let's say like, yo, they say like we have 25 slots, or they'll probably be running more than 25, but like let's say they have that for like something like this. Basically, what you could do is you could give them your info, and they're 100% trustworthy. I've done it before too. They're trustworthy and safe. I'm gonna be doing it for the Azareth drop coming up this week, so y'all will see that. But these guys are trustworthy and safe. I gave them my info for like the Kobe stuff, and that was safe. So yeah, if you really look into it, these guys can help you cop releases just like this one, and that's really how they do it, is with free slots for their members. And you can join the Discord on their Twitter. It's a $50 monthly fee, but it's totally worth it. I mean, these guys really up your reselling game. I mean, it's not even like just like with helping you cop. I mean, they like are all around like helping you with everything you need to know with shoes, stocks. I mean, like anything. So shout out them. If you want to go check them out down below, that's how that you can really cop a release just like this one, is because they'll be copping it for you. So if you want to do that, you can go check them out down below. And basically how you would get into the group is just send them a DM on Twitter, tell them that I sent you, and then basically, you know, that's all you have to do really. So and then you'd have a chance of getting in. They're exclusive, they don't let everybody in, but if you send them that DM on Twitter saying I sent you, then maybe that increases your chances. But let's now discuss, aside from the secret sauce method, let's now discuss how you guys can cop a release just like this manually, because I know you guys are always asking me how to cop on sneakers manually, and it's really the same old. I mean, just it's kind of like a step-by-step, so I'll break it. So how you could cop a release just like this one, again off sneakers, is there isn't really any bots for sneakers, as you guys know, but there's ways that you could actually secure a release like this one manually. And basically how you would do it is you would have to just set up multiple accounts, and how you make multiple sneakers accounts is by using multiple devices, as you guys know. So basically what you would need to do is like maybe make one sneakers account on your computer, one sneakers account on your phone, on your brother's phone or whatever. I mean, I don't even think you need to use a different device to make a bunch of accounts. You just need different emails really. The different device serves the purpose of when a drop is actually loading and all that, you have all the different devices set up. So basically then you have like 5 different devices to like actually enter in the drawing on, or actually go cop the sneaker on and try and get it on. And basically, I know that probably sounds very confusing, and how you would actually then make sure that that would successfully work, because obviously you probably won't hit on all 5 like all 5 profiles, but if you want to really make sure you run 5 successful profiles, at least have a chance, what you need to do again is make sure to set up on different emails. And for the payment method, just don't, I think you can use the same card, just don't use the same PayPal. If you use the same PayPal, you're gonna get your sneakers accounts banned and all that, and you're gonna have to make new emails and all that. So you don't want to get your account banned, so don't use the same PayPal. And also another last important piece of key info really with running on sneakers individually, like on different devices like that, make sure I mean, you can use Wi-Fi or internet, doesn't matter. I don't know why I was bringing that up, but what I was gonna say is you got to make sure that your address is adjusted. So make sure that you add like room 1 or room 2 in front of your address. Now obviously in one of your accounts you just put your normal address, and then for the rest of the ones you had to put room 1 and then your address, room 2 then your address. And the reason you have to do that is so Nike doesn't realize that you're shipping a bunch of stuff to the same address. So just dropping a little tip, some key info for you all there. That's really how you can cop this Air Jordan 5 Retro for the Oregon Ducks. These are super clean. I'm a fan of them. Been a fan of Oregon, you know, and that kind of like duck colorway. I mean, it's very clean. So yeah, shout out them. And that's really how you can cop a release like this one manually. So I'm Tristan, and let's roll that outro. Anyways though, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and that's really how you guys could cop a release just like this one. This one's going to be kind of a harder one to get for sure, because this one is going to be very hyped. I mean, probably not a lot of videos on it or any discussion about it right now, but the second, I'm telling you, the second it hits that week in September, everybody's going to be talking about this release. I bet you. Like, just this video is going to do well. I mean, I'm hopefully calling it, because you know, your boy tries to stay ahead of the game. So if you want more videos like this, go drop that like. We're trying to hit 200 likes as this one again. I don't want to have to wait again. You know, your boy can wait. So I'd really like, hopefully y'all done that already. But yeah, if you want to also do it, go follow my Instagrams down below. I'd really appreciate that. We're gonna hit 6K in the personal soon, so thank you. That'd be dope. But yeah, that's really not all I gotta say. You can also join the Discord down below if y'all want to also. Yeah, now it's everything I gotta say. I think I said subscribe and all that, so go do that. But that's all I gotta say now. So T, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.